Hey guys, welcome back to May Fix It. We're gonna do some more work in the bathroom. We've got this fixture here we want to take down and replace. I'm trying to figure out how to get it off the wall. I don't see any screws or anything holding it on, so I'm gonna try to figure that out and I'll show you what I found out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let me get you in here. So what I found out was these little sleeves here are just like little pressure fitting on there like that. I took all 4 of them off and I ran my utility knife razor blade around just in case there was any seal from paint, and we've got it moving here. I'm gonna use 2 hands and see if I can get it off and give you guys an update. Okay, the cover plate came off with very little issue. I'm hoping there's not a large hole here. I do see I'm gonna have to paint, but here is the middle here. I'm hoping I can line up my new light in the center of the mirror, and there's not a large hole behind this plate. So let me get that off and go from there. All right, I'm getting here with my screwdriver and loosen these up. I've already disconnected the wires, of course. Everything is, all the switches are off, breakers are off, so I'm trying to be safe here. I need 2 hands. Okay, so there's no junction box, so there's nowhere for me to connect my new light because it has like this type of back to it. And of course, as you can tell, there's a big panel that was connected here and here on the studs. So I'm gonna have to go and get like a retrofit junction box or something to go in this hole, but we're gonna make this hole a little bit larger, clean it up a little bit. This is terrible. And there's also wallpaper up here. I want to also get some more putty to putty up these holes and make this look the best I can. Just gonna paint over it, and then when we change the color of the room, we'll be able to make this look a little better. But yeah, this project's gotten a little more complicated. Gonna be an extra day. All right, so made some progress here. I got a retrofit junction box here that I've put in this hole, and I'm gonna go ahead and secure that down. I've tried to scrape off some of this wallpaper. Gonna fill in these holes and try to get this thing painted. Got to hurry up. All right, I got to put in the holes, and I'm gonna let it dry, sand it, and then put a coat of paint on it. All right, finally got it done. It was a tedious project. I got everything painted and lights up. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you can see how it looks. Pretty nice. Oh man, that was something else. But I like it. So thanks for watching.